Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your coach and trainer in stocks and crypto. For today's video, I will try just to answer a question. Who wants the stock market down? Okay, so let's go and check. Now the first that you might think of, the first one you might think of is hedge funds. Now I will try just to explain this, and there we go. You know, hedge funds, who are these people? They are a trader or traders in the same fund. So they have a lot of money. Like most of the time, big hedge funds, they have billions of dollars. So what they do? So as you might know, they can go long or they can go short. It means they sell short. Okay. Now, most of the hedge funds, they want the market down. Okay, especially when the market has gone for many years up. So they think 10 years, let's say 10 years or 12 years. This is the general thing. They say, okay, the stock market has gone for 10 years or 12 years. It must have a correction. So this is what they think about. Now, so the hedge funds, they don't just go like this and they go short where the market is going up, but first they should advertise, okay? Advertise that the market will crash, okay? The stock market will crash, and this thing, it's every year. Understand? Go to the big guys, especially those who are hedge fund, like Soros, for example, who is a very well-known hedge fund. Now I think he changed his hedge fund to a normal thing. But most of these influencers, like hedge funds, they want the stock market down, but they need help. Now, who helps them for the market to go down? It means they try to advertise and to influence people that the right thing to do now is to sell. Okay? And if the people begin to sell and they see some stocks begin to go down, it's their feast. And most of the, if you are following people, try to follow people, and they say, we are on cash. It means they have sold almost all their shares in December, and they are waiting for January for a market correction or to collapse. And this, they have a lot of money, so they go just and sell short. And it is in their own interest that the people sell. Okay? So don't be confused that these people are like they are advising people what is the good thing to do. Understand, this is the market. They say what is good for them, not what is good for investors. Because who is the investor who wants to sell? There is no investor who wants to sell if the market is going up. Okay? And some, they will never sell. But understand that even Warren Buffett, he is one of the biggest investors. He sells sometime, like I think in December or in November, or he reduces his holdings and he has cash. Okay, in general, he wants to, because he sees like 10 years, 12 years, it's too much, and there should be a crash like what did happen in 2020. end of February, end of March, the whole market collapsed. They say because of the news. It's not the news. It's just they try to put bad news in the market. And they speak too much. Wherever you find them, they speak, oh, the market will crash. Oh, COVID-19 is coming. And then the people begin to sell. And then it's their feast where they sell short. Now, since we finished the first one as hedge fund, and it's easy later, they just go short and the market collapse, and the more what we call investors, they are scared. Investors are scared, so there is a sell-off in the market. So the hedge fund, the more market go down, the more this hedge fund make money, and easily. Okay, and most of the time it's quick. It's a quick money. Okay. Now, second people we can say. So after the hedge funds, now we have the influencers. Now, this idea of influencers, what does it mean? You find them, for example, they could be politicians. Okay, they could be CEO of companies. They could be just public speakers. Okay, public speakers, or some of YouTubers. Okay, or Facebook guys. It means it could be anyone. These people, they have a lot of, when we say influencers, it means they influence people, and people, they follow them. This is the most important thing. They follow them. So, for example, you find a public speaker, let's say he has 20 million or 30 million follower. Okay? 30 million followers. So it's easy. If they say to them sell, the market will go down. So almost all the people, they sell. Now when they sell, okay, when they sell, even if they give them some stocks to sell, it means they say these companies are bad, they are doing bad, and they might fall, so you should sell before. So they will look, because these guys, they know what they are doing. Sometimes they work for public speakers, they work for hedge funds. Okay? These influencers, sometimes they have a direct relation with hedge funds. Sometimes they are paid with hedge funds. Sometimes they are paid by other people, okay, who are big day traders also. Okay? For these influencers, it means they are getting money. It means it's like a job they are doing. So when they say, although the information, you say the information is free. Okay? Is free. It means they don't ask you money to give you the information. But the problem is that this job is not free. There is someone pay them. Okay? It could be anyone. Since they speak, sometimes they get money just from YouTube because they have a lot of things. But since they are like following them, they can make the market go down, as they can make the market go up. Check, for example, as an influencer, as a CEO, for example, just to give you an example, if we think about someone like Elon Musk, okay, Elon Musk, who is the CEO of Tesla. So, well, whatever he said, I think I don't know how many followers, but I think it's 50 million. Now 50 million people, if he said like when before for Dogecoin, okay, he said Doge to the moon. You have heard last year, I think in January or February, Doge to the moon. So you see, this Doge, it was 5 cents. It goes in few days to 75 cents. He is an influencer because the people, they follow him. Now, suppose that Elon Musk say this company is bad. So this company will almost all the people who own shares, since they say it's bad, people begin to sell, and it's very good for other people. Okay? So these influencers, they do a lot. They manipulate the market. Okay? They manipulate. It means manipulation. It means they change the course of a stock or a cryptocurrency. It was nothing. It was 0.000001. And then if someone talks about this good, and you see this crypto goes thousands or millions times, and you understand that in this case, a lot of people who are following and they put some money, they can be millionaires. But it's the opposite also. If they say bad about cryptocurrency is going to be down, and the people, they lose a lot of money. Okay? And the third one that I want to speak about, okay? The third one, after the influencers, now this we can say they are direct, okay? They are direct in the market. Hedge fund and influencers, they are direct. Now, there is someone else, number 3, they are just traders all over the world. Now, for the traders, now how do they try just to complete the job. To complete the job, it means that when the market begins to go down, okay, they try to find most of the stocks, and they begin to sell short, okay, because it's easy, and investors here on the other side, investors are scared a lot, so they begin to sell. That's why we have a sell-off in the market, and these guys, these traders, they begin to sell short, and the more so investors sell, the others sell short. It means we have two actions in the market. That's why these two actions in the market makes the stock market go quicker. Okay, the market goes quicker because we have two actions that makes the price down. Investors begins to sell, okay, sell off in general, and we have short sellers, okay, especially traders and hedge funds. Now, hedge funds, they have billions of dollars by themselves. It means one, he has billions of dollars, so it's only one decision. They go to a stock and they hit it, and the investors there get scared, they sell, and then that's why you find that the stock goes very quick. And these three are the most important people who want the market down. Now, there are others that you find them talking too much about, for example, buying gold and silver. And these people, they want the people to sell crypto. They want the people to sell stock market. And they say because it is a scam, it is a fake, it has no value. They begin to play with these things. And especially most of these people, they are called contrarian. It means they are always against the government, federal government or government. They are against vaccination. They raise doubts. It means there are a lot of people like this, but they take advantage of the people. Okay? They take advantage of the people. It's like they misinform the people. They give them something that is true. They say, for example, gold has a value, and the people, the economy, they need it. Man, from 2011 until now, we have the high. It reaches the high that from 2011 it didn't hit. It didn't hit this high that reached in April 2011. So what is their aim? Their aim or their job is to sell them gold and silver. That's why in this month or last month you find a lot of people, they sell crypto, they sell stock market. In stock market they sell, and they begin to buy gold and silver. Understand that you buy gold and silver, you get stuck, because they are not selling to you like an index or gold and silver in stock market, which it's very easy. You see the price, you buy it or you sell it. But for these people, they sell you a product which is not gold and silver. It's a product. Now I will show you just the fourth guys who are most of the time. Okay, so the fourth guys, they are called the contrarian. Okay, so selling gold and silver, okay, physical. Okay, so this is what they do. This is what they do. Their strategy, it's known for many decades. The strategy is to go against federal government, okay, and to go against federal government, and they misinform the public. Now, by how they misinform the public? It means they don't give the truth of the thing. So their aim, what is it? Is to sell. Their aim is to sell a product. Okay, this is the reasons. They talk too much against the federal government, against vaccination, against anything about the government. They go against the dollar, for example. You say the dollar is nothing, it's worthless. So what is the solution they propose? So it's very simple what they want. They want you, okay, here, they want you to buy physical gold and silver. Now, when you buy, for example, coins that the mint has made. So how they ask you to buy, how they go against the federal government and the federal government that mint the coins. So So it means they misinform the people, because who mints the coin is the government. They have coins and they ask you for a premium. Okay? They ask you for a premium. For example, this, it is 1 ounce. Okay? 1 ounce of gold or 1 ounce of silver. So let's say, let's say so here is just an idea. Okay, let's say $22 is the price of silver. Just an example. Okay, now they will buy you a coin. Here is a coin of silver. So it is 1 ounce of silver. Normally 1 ounce of silver is only $22. Now they add a premium. Okay? Now why they add this premium? So this 22, you get it as 25 or 26 or 30 or 37. They play as, because you are scared. You are scared of the stock market. You are scared of the crypto. So they push you to buy gold, but with a premium. It means you are not buying silver. You are buying another product that it has a premium, which is a coin. Now this coin that you are buying, it has a premium. Now when you want to sell, okay, you will be selling less. Let's say 6% or 10% or 20%, whatever they tell you. This is what you get. It means when you buy, you are paying more than the real price, and when you sell, you are selling less than the market itself, the price. They will never give you 22. They will give you 20, they give you 19, they give you 18. So they sell it to you higher, and when you want to sell to them, they will sell to you lower. So, and all this money, it is in their pocket of these guys. These guys, they are helping the mint. They are helping other fans that they are selling this stuff. And this makes the people scared. So that's why they hit the market. And as you can see, for example, in crypto, you see this sell-off in crypto. Okay, now this money, where this money goes? It didn't go to the stock market, because the stock market has been going down for weeks. So there is a sell-off also in the stock market, not that much, but there is a sell-off. So where is all this money go? It could go to bonds. It could go to gold and silver. Okay, so it's just a change of the market. So this is why those people want the market down. All these guys, they make a profit when the market is down and when the people are scared. Okay, so it's just a psychological thing. But the players of the market, each one has an interest. So, for example, a hedge fund say to you, okay, January, February or March, the market will collapse. So what you should do? You say sell. Now, when you begin to sell, millions of people begin to sell, the hedge funds, they see these stocks are going down. They hit them. Now, when they hit them, after a few days, they say, didn't tell you? What? The market is going down. I tell you just 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And here is my video. I told you. So the people, they believe in him that he knows the future. But in the real thing, no one is knowing the future. you find these same people 6 months ago, they say to the people buy, because they have already bought stocks heavily. So they want to encourage people to push them to buy and to buy and to buy each. And then after a few months, they get a big profit, they want to sell. So they begin to sell, and then when they sold all their shares, which is very good, the market is going up, they want the market go down, either to sell short, or they provide you with another thing, another product, like coins in silver and gold, and they say, oh, gold it stays and the value doesn't change, but the gold has never been a good thing. That's why the governments, they took it from a form of payment. It's never gonna be back, the gold and silver, never. Right now, people are going to digital and to cryptocurrency to use them as a currency. In California, as you can see, you have seen that California accepts, I think the government or so accepts Bitcoin and like crypto payment. So it's over for this gold and silver and the other thing. So it is just, you should understand that what's going in the world, those influencer hedge funds, they are not with the investors. They are always against. Because investors, they have a lot of money. So each one wants a share of this money when there is a big move. Because when the market collapses, the most people who get the money is the people who sell short. There is no other way. Because the market is going down, what you should do, you should just sell short. This is one of the best thing to make money. Day traders, they do it daily. Whenever a stock is feeling weak, they sell it short. If it go down, they will make money. So if the whole market is going down very, very quick, so this is the feast of all these guys. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Guys, if you have ideas or things, just comment and I will try to do my best. If you have other questions, please ask questions, and thank you very much.